Well, it's finally happened. Looks like Kermit found a ring to propose to Ali with. Let me get that back off your head, babe. There you go. I just came over here and I realised that she had it on her. It's just a plastic little toy thing that I got for the cockatiels, but I had no idea that she had it over her head. She's laid another egg, haven't you? Well, her first egg. Still waiting for the second one to come. And Kermit is down playing with my feet again. She's doing okay though. When she's not banging her head against the cardboard.